Okay guys, so we're going to do a quick rundown here of our database collection. I have chosen to do MMA fighters, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's get all fighters here. Oh wait, gotta start our server. Let's start npm run. Okay, let's try this again. Let's get all fighters. Here is our list of fighters as you see at the bottom here. So our request was completed. Next we'll go over the test results from the testing we did with this. As you can see, it's a whole list of fighters. Let's go ahead and grab this ID for future testing. And as you see, we've got several tests here. 200 okay. Got an array for the name and ages. As you see, they all clear up. They all check out. So that seems to work out. Now let's go over to get fighter by ID. Let's punch in that ID that we saved. Let's see here. If I'm not mistaken, it's Jim Miller. Let's send that request. Okay, there's our request and data coming back. Here's our test. 200 okay. The response JSON. Let's see. Pretty much response contains anything expected. Description, name, age. All those check out as well. So let's try something else. Let's update this fighter. Instead of 42, let's make sure we get the ID up here, make sure that's correct. Let's change, actually we're going to change it from 40 to 42. As you see, that all checks out. Everything status code good. Updated age, body contains updated fighter. If we want to update it back to 40, we'll just change these and send this request off again. Let's see, check all that, make sure that's good. Send off the request again. And as you can see, it has updated one more time. We can verify that in our MongoDB compass. As you see, it has been updated. Alright, so let's go ahead and skip to delete fighter because we're going to delete this one. So let's give it the proper ID. There's all our tests running. Let's send that request. And everything went through. The body's empty now. The existed fighter is deleted. And as you can see, we can verify this with MongoDB as well. Let's refresh our database here. And you see no more Jim Miller. Alright, so let's do our last one, which is post, which is pretty much creating a new fighter. As you see, we got our body request here. We'll look at our test and send that off. And everything came through. The created ID, responsive all the properties, ages, name, and 200 OK. Let's test out our put one more time here. Remember, you got to change these values as well, but once you get those changed, you can send that off. Oh, oh, that's right, because we created it again, so it's a different ID. Let's grab that new ID. All right, Jim Miller, there's the ID. Let's put that in up here and send this request off. Bam, there we go. So as you see, all of them have 3 tests minimum. All of them pass. Database looks pretty well done. And that is my video.